So this is just a quick vlog. I am shooting on my X3 and I'm using the frame and I'm using external mics. These are the Rode Wireless and you can use this in a vlogging setting aside from using the Me mode. So if you're not sure what Me mode is for the Insta360, the X3, I'll drop a link down below for that. But I wanted to see what it would look like in a more low light situation. So right now it's kind of not really dark, but it's kind of like getting close to dark time here. So I live in Alaska. So in the wintertime, we tend to get darker quicker. So I do have a lot of lights around. So you are hearing audio from the mic. I don't really have it on me. I just have it kind of on the frame itself. But this is what you get if you wanted to use the X3. Say you didn't want to use the Me mode, which requires you to use the 360 mode as well as the Invisistick. You can use this without having to use the Invisistick. You just simply just put it on a tripod, put it in what is known as the single lens mode, and what that does is it puts this in 4K at 30 frames, and then you just simply record, and you can either upload it to your phone and then upload it to your various social media, or you can just simply just download it to your computer and then just kind of use your favorite editing software. Otherwise, I am shooting this in just the normal 4K 30 frames in what is known as single lens mode, and I'm using just a simple desktop tripod that I have. So this won't be in the 360-degree field of view. It'll be just like as if I had a regular camera, and I'm just shooting that. So there is kind of more than one way to record on this if you didn't want to use the Me mode. But if you want to be familiarized with the Me mode, I did do a video for that, and I'll drop a link down below for that, as well as I also have some other Insta360 videos if you want to take a look at that. But this is just a simple vlog test in the wintertime here in Alaska, just to show you what the low light capabilities are. And although it's not super dark, it's not really well lit, but there's enough light here. But this is what it would look like just if you're like out in a parking lot and you want to do some quick vlogging and it's at nighttime and you got a sufficient amount of light. This is what it's going to look like. So I want to thank everybody for watching. My name is Black King, the Apple Guy. If you're new to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Enjoy your winter.